In today's video, let's take a look at the way that you reset the Jio Hotstar password. If you're trying to reset the PIN of the Jio Hotstar account and not the actual password, because you don't need a password to log into your Jio Hotstar, once you type in your phone number, you'll get an OTP. You just simply need to put in the OTP and you will be immediately logged in. So if you are trying to actually reset the PIN of your profile inside of Jio Hotstar, let me show you the process. Now once you open up the application, in order to reset your PIN, tap on the help and settings on the top right of the screen. If you don't see this option, make sure you're inside My Space, which is on the bottom right. So from here, click on help and settings. Inside of help and settings, in order to change your PIN, inside of parental control, you'll see the parental control lock is enabled and you'll need to tap on the change PIN option. So if you don't see this, make sure you expand it and you just need to tap on change PIN. Once you tap on change PIN, a OTP will be sent to your phone number. You just need to type in the OTP that has been sent. Once you type in the OTP, you will get a section of where you can type in a new PIN. So make sure you create a new PIN and then confirm it on the next page as well. Once you complete this process, your PIN will be reset and from now on, you can use the new PIN that you just created. So that's all there is for this video. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.